Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up VPN on Vivo Y97. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Turbo VPN and click search. Now select this application and click install. Now click open and then click agree and continue. Now you can close this ad and click on this button to start your VPN. Then click OK. And now you can close this ad again, and as you can see I'm connected to VPN United States. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.